really good for your skin. Tell us about Amora candles.
Well, it's called a collagen body candle, and the interesting thing is you can buy candles anywhere and they all smell really great. But did you ever walk in and you smell a candle and you think, oh my God, I want to smell like that?
Right, like a lotion or something.
Exactly. So that's basically what this candle is. It's a collagen body candle. It's got no wax. It's got no paraffin in it. It's a vegetable collagen base. It's got silk proteins in it.
So you're not burning your hand right now?
Nope, it's not hot at all. It's not hot to the touch in any way. And you just basically moisturize your skin with it. It's got a coconut oil base to it as well. My daughter, who's in college, likes to put it in her hair because her hair gets rather dry. She goes to school in Chicago. In the summertime, you put it on your feet and makes your feet look so nice when you're wearing sandals. And basically an all-over body massage, body cream, makes your skin look really beautiful, and you end up smelling like your favorite scent.
Yeah, and you have 7 fragrances?
7 fragrances.
Do they all do something a little different, or do they just smell a little
They
different?
all do the same thing, which is moisturize your skin. We do have our one candle here, which is our arnica and eucalyptus candle, and that candle is more of our fitness recovery candle. It's got that menthol eucalyptus kind of scent to it. We like to massage it in after workouts and stuff like that.
And where can people buy candles like this? Just online?
Well, you can buy it online at amorabeauty.com. We also sell our candles at David Shoes in Beverly Hills. And yeah, and they're great gifts for Mother's Day. You know,
right around the
corner.
You
got the mother and you've given her a million candles, but this is something a little bit different, a little bit interesting. And we also have great incentives on our websites for women who want to maybe work from home, and they can buy a case of candles for a discount and be able to have candle parties on their own and sell them by themselves.
Well, we all love candles, and especially candles that can do double duty.
Yes.
So, Rena, thank you so much. And of course,
you
can catch Rena Sofer on The Bold and the Beautiful. And